All right, well, this Mississippi Mustang, it's quite the challenge. It's a rougher than a corn cob. I've probably used a half a gallon of filler on this already, and I went ahead and decided to replace this quarter back here because it had so much damage. I saved this door, and I think it'll be all right, even because I've massaged it out to where it's pretty straight. But this right here, yeah, my buddy cut this off yesterday, and it's gonna get this thing ready to install. It's a skin, so it doesn't have the piece that goes up into the cell panel here, just a skin, so it goes about to here. So it's got the ridge, and the question is, how straight is that ridge on an aftermarket skin? How straight is it, and how good is it, and should I use that ridge instead of this one? This is probably not any straighter than the aftermarket ridge, especially since it was hit here, and this could be a little lower. But anyway, we're going to put the skin up there, just lap it on and see how she fits. There's going to be a lot of work. We had some rot right here, so we're going to cut a piece and redo that and pull this out. Looks like this car was hit in the rear. Somebody ran into it or it backed into something pretty hard, because this dog leg had to have pushed this wheel well back. It broke the welds, and so this is indication that a car was hit from the rear. Either it backed into something, but it's not why they replaced. Probably not why they replaced all the tail panel, these brackets, and these dog leg pieces, because they were probably rusted out, and that's why they were replaced. They replaced that quarter over there, but they did a hatchet job on it, of course, so it's not like it should be, but it's better than this quarter here, where it was patched right here with the lower patch panel, and it had a big old weld here, and it was sunk in about, half inch from the heat. So yeah, and it was body damage here. So anyway, here we go. We're going to do that today maybe, and fit that quarter on there. It came with 3 dings in it from the shipping, so it's something I'll be able to take out before I put it on. But I think it'll help the car be better for the car. Even though it's got all these new pieces, they weren't done properly, but I'm going to make this car work, guys, so don't worry about me. Don't feel sorry for me. I've done this a few times, and anybody can do this type of work. It just requires the right tools, because if you don't have the right tools, it makes everything so much harder. Patch here that has to be cut and redone. Somebody put a piece in there, but it looks like it's inside it's underneath the metal. They were just doing that so they could fill it up. Here's one that's outside the metal, outside the surface, which they look like they just welded it on there and then tried to grind it down to where it would be flat. But yeah, you can't access the back there. It's filled in, but I got to cut this out, patch that. But that's where we're at. That right there needs gonna do a pattern and cut this out, and then weld it back and put a lip on it. Yep, that's where we're at, man. And I appreciate you guys for watching and giving me suggestions and ideas and advice. That's what it's all about. And to show people that even though they would never do something like this, that they actually can if they put their mind to it and they decide that they want to do it, So, yep, that's where we're at. Next video, I'll probably show the quarter on there and let you know how well it fit. Thanks, guys, for all your help, advice, suggestions.